It's pretty much the screen of the application. And I've reviewed a bunch of these applications, and all of them are pretty much the same. You do not get any live view of Earth or any live anything that you can actually see. Only thing that you get is pretty much a world map, and that's all. So you will say satellite view. It's pretty much just the world map.
A 400-day streak is
nothing much. And this application is full of ads. All of the applications that I've reviewed, which are very similar, name, everything, very similar, do get the same look, bunch of ads, and this is pretty much all the live view that they're claiming looks. So I would say it doesn't really work as how most of you thought. But as you can see here, we'll just get a map of the country, map of the world, nothing much. And that's really much it. Same thing for this year, very similar map. You'll be getting nothing much for that as well. My location, we just give you a location similar to as how we use Google Map. Nothing much for that as well. This doesn't work, so it doesn't make sense to even try. And this down here, not really works, so it should, but it's still a very decent option. Down here you have the live view of whatever GPS, whatever this is, doesn't work either. Down here you have the traffic option, doesn't work either, so it should. Here you have to find the distance. It will work because it's a map, but overall those are the only things that would really make sense on this application. And as well, you do have the world clock option where you can see different country time zones and so forth, which does work. And you have some other options or other tools which you can use for this application here. So these are just some simple tools which you can use, and these are not that impressive. They're designed for their how they look, the UI, not very. So yeah, that's really much for this application, and it has a bunch of ads. And if you do want to remove ads from this application or any other application that looks similar or has the same name, which says Live Earth, Earth Live, or whatever the case is, they all have the same name and they all have the same garbage layout full of ads, basically foolish. So you can tap on the code icon at the top here and you'll be able to remove their ads, and it doesn't really change much. You won't be seeing any ads, but tools that they offer is not very good. So that's really pretty much it, and I would recommend you not downloading or using this application because it's pretty much a waste of time. But that's it, guys. See you in the next one.